Hey guys, Big Country Square. Hey, from the video for you. So I want my discount drug mart, or I did order some real ones. Some firecrackers and ball rockets from Wholesale Fireworks here in Minerva. Not Minerva, Ohio. So right now, I got these out. The Wolfpack snappers. I already opened them. Wasn't go outside and do them. I'll go outside and do them here in a minute before I have to go to work tomorrow. So. Supposed to be super loud, so we'll get to those later. So let's open this bad boy. Yeah. Oops. Alright guys. Pause this real quick. Okay, this pack is called Smoke Busters from Phantom Fireworks. You can get this anywhere, probably your local discount drug or any store really. Only smoke devices. So we got the first one up is called Dead Smoke. Here's the fuse up top, Phantom Fireworks. It's called Terror Zone Smoke. And we'll do all this on the 4th of July, of course. Your smoke balls, Phantom Fireworks kind. Your party poppers, Phantom Fireworks. And our snappers. And our Lingering Smoke. It's called Lingering Smoke by Phantom Fireworks. We got our Dead Smoke. Flowing Smoke. More party poppers. Voodoo Smoke by Phantom. And our Terror Zone Smoke from Phantom. And they got a new one this year, folks. A Spiral Smoke Candle. Pretty heavy. Fuses up there. I'm gonna pull this back in the box now. I'll get back to you guys when I do that. Outside, guys, this is all Phantom Fireworks stuff. So we'll go outside and do the poppers. The least thing I can do for right now for you guys. Alright, let's go outside and do them. See you guys in a minute.